None of them say that I'm looking good. I guess this one's better.
Bro, are you getting ready for a cellar or getting ready for a mission to Mars?
That don't disturb me, yaar. I've already tried 5 shirts. And look, none of them say handsome yet effortless.
Bro, your mirror has seen more fashion shows than Paris.
But you don't get it, Uday. Like, look at everyone online. Perfect hair, perfect jawline, even their pimple looks aesthetic.
Chill, bro. All that glitters is not gold.
And now what does this mean?
All that glitters is not gold. It means everything that looks good is not true always. Jatin.
How goes?
Uday, bhai. Aisha is calling, bhai.
Yeah? Oh, wow, yeah.
Abbe, nothing, wow. Like, I can't answer this call right now, man. Like, look at my hairs.
Bro, listen. She's calling to check your hair volume, not your brain capacity. Relax.
Come on, yaar.
Hi, Jatin. Finally, the real you.
Yeah. Bye. Bhai, yaar, that was so embarrassing.
It looks like you just got a truth bomb.
Now, what is this truth bomb, bhai?
Here's the idiom. Truth bomb. It means when the reality suddenly hits you hard and open your eyes. Basically, when the truth explodes on your face and you can't deny it anymore.
Yeah, reality hurts.
Jatin, look at this photo. Bro, no filters, no poses, just happiness.
Yeah, even in this photo, we looked so carefree, right? Not rehearsed anything.
Exactly. People are busy looking good instead of feeling good.
Exactly. I guess I forgot that beauty, that it is just skin deep.
Right. Another idiom. Skin deep. That means real beauty isn't just about looks. It's about your character, your behavior, your kindness. The outside fades, but the insides lasts.
Yeah. Even we were glowing without ring light.
True.
So there, what should I do? Like, stop thinking and stop caring about these looks completely?
No, bro. You just stop comparing and don't look good for the internet, look good for yourself. And one more thing, bro. Beauty arises when you don't have desire to be beautiful.
Kya baat hai? That's deep. If I don't post any photo and any picture, how will people get to know that I still exist?
Bro, existence is not proved by selfies. It is proved by real worth. Let's recap.
First, all that glitters is not gold. That means everything that looks good isn't truly valuable.
Second, hitting by a truth bomb. It means when reality suddenly opens your eyes.
Third, beauty is not only skin deep. That means beauty lies beyond physical appearance.
Fourth, existence isn't proved by selfies. It's by presence. It means existence is not proved by our pictures. It's by our worth. So, hi learners, if you really liked our video and found it informative and it is really helping you to grow, so
do comment and also tell us which topic and which conversation you want us to continue.